Good morning, all of you. Today I am going to explain you question number 4 of exercise 4.2. Here in the question it is given that sum of the square of two consecutive positive integer is 365. You have to find out that consecutive positive integer. Now let first consecutive positive integer be x and the second one will be x plus 1. As given in the question, sum of the square of these consecutive positive integer is 365. First we will write down the equation. Here equation will be x square plus x plus 1 whole square equal to 365. Beta, have you understood the equation? I hope is it clear? Yes. Now x square, open this by the using formula a plus b whole square, x square plus 1 plus 2x, a plus b whole square. This 365 will come towards left hand side, so minus 365 equal to 0. Now we will simplify this equation by adding like term x square and this x square will be added, then it will be 2x square plus 2x. 1 minus 365 will be minus 364 equal to 0. Now here this entire equation can be divided by 2, so it will be x square plus x minus 182 equal to 0. Now this equation has come in a simplified manner. Now we will take out the factor of it. Here you will take out the factor of 182. It will come 14 and 13. 14 will be of plus and 13 will be of minus. Now x square plus 14x minus 13x minus 182 equal to 0. From first two term we can take x common, so x plus 14, and from last two term we can take 13 common, then minus 13 will be taken common, it will be x plus 14 equal to 0. Now x plus 14 again common and x minus 13 equal to 0. When it will be solved, then x will be equal to minus 14 and x will be equal to 13. X will be equal to minus 14 will be rejected. Do you know why? Because it is written in the question positive integers. So minus 14 will be rejected. Now first number will be 13 and the next consecutive number will be 14. How can you take out? By putting the value of x in this equation. So x plus 1, 13 plus 1 will be equal to 14. Now I am going to explain you question number 5. Here in question number 5 it is given that in a right angle triangle, hypotenuse is given 13 centimeter and its perpendicular is 7 centimeter less than its base. Now you have to find out the base and perpendicular. Now here we will take, let base of the right angle triangle is x centimeter, then altitude will be x minus 7 centimeter. Hypotenuse is given 13 centimeter. We will frame the equation according to the given dimensions. As you know, you must be knowing, or as you know, in case of right angle triangle, which theorem is used? Do you know? Now here, yes, here Pythagoras theorem will be used. Here sum of the square of two sides will be equal to the square of the third side. Here first side or base is given x, or we have taken x, and altitude we have taken x minus 7 will be equal to 13 square. So x square plus x minus 7 whole square will be equal to 13 square. It will be solved, then x square, this part will be solved by a minus b whole square formula. So x square plus 49 minus 14x will be equal to 169. 169 will come by taking the square of 13. So 2x square, we will simplify it. 2x square minus 14x plus 49, and this 169 will come towards left hand side, its sign will change. Minus 169 equal to 0. Now 2x square plus minus 14x minus 120. How this will come? 1 minus 169 plus 49. So minus 120 equal to 0. Now again this equation can be reduced by dividing the entire equation by 2. So when it will divide by 2, then it will be x square minus 7x minus 60 equal to 0. Now we will split the middle term by taking out the factor. Its factor will be 12 and 5. So 12 into 5 is equal to 60, and 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. So x square minus 12x plus 5 minus 60 equal to 0. From first two term again we will take x common. So x common, then x minus 12. Then from last two term we will take 5 common, then 5 x minus 12 equal to 0. Now x minus 12 is again common. So and x plus 5 is equal to 0. So x will be equal to 12 and x will be equal to 5. So here x equal to minus 5 will be rejected, as minus 5 has come here. So x will be equal, why we will take, why will reject minus 5? Because the side of any triangle cannot be negative. X equal to 12 will be considered, and x we have taken base, so base has come 12 centimeter, and altitude is 7 centimeter lesser than its base. So 12 minus 7 is equal to 5. You must have noticed these three numbers are 5, 12 and 13 are some special type of the number. These are called Pythagorean triplet, and 5, 12, 13 are going to make a triangle by this dimension. When we will make a triangle, it will be always a right angle triangle. I hope, beta, have you understood these questions? And I hope it is clear to every one of you. Good afternoon.